Best drinks for people with diabetes. What to know? If you're living with diabetes, choosing the right drinks is just as important as watching what you eat. Beverages can have a big impact on your blood sugar levels, so it's essential to understand what works best for your condition. Why your drink choices matter. Diabetes requires careful attention to your daily intake, especially when it comes to carbohydrates. Many drinks contain hidden sugars and calories that can cause blood sugar spikes. That's why the American Diabetes Association, ADA, recommends drinks that are 0-calorie or low in calories. These options help prevent sudden changes in blood sugar, support symptom management, and make it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Top diabetes-friendly drinks. When you need something refreshing, drinks with no or very few calories are usually your best choice. Adding a splash of fresh lemon or lime juice to water is a great way to enhance flavor without adding sugar. Some common options to consider. Water, plain or flavored with lemon/lime. Sugar-free lemonade. Unsweetened tea or coffee. Sparkling water. Milk alternatives like unsweetened almond or soy milk. Be cautious with drinks like vegetable juice, even if they seem healthy. They may still contain natural sugars and should be enjoyed in moderation. Similarly, reduced-fat dairy drinks have lactose, a natural sugar, and must be counted toward your daily carbohydrate limit. No matter where you are, at home or dining out, being mindful of what you drink can go a long way in helping manage your diabetes effectively. 1. Seltzer water. Seltzer water is a fizzy, sugar-free option that can replace sugary sodas. It contains no calories, carbohydrates, or sugar, making it ideal for people with diabetes. Not only does it help keep you hydrated, but it also supports stable blood sugar levels. You can find seltzer water in various flavors or customize your own by adding slices of fresh fruit or herbs for extra taste without added sugar. 2. Tea green, black, white, or oolong. Tea is a popular and diabetes-friendly beverage. Studies suggest that green tea, in particular, may offer health benefits, including a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Whether you prefer green, black, white, or oolong tea, be sure to choose unsweetened versions to avoid added sugars. Brew it at home and add a few slices of lemon for a refreshing, low-calorie drink. 3. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, hibiscus, ginger, and peppermint are excellent choices for people managing diabetes. These teas contain no sugar, calories, or carbohydrates, and are naturally rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids. Regularly enjoying herbal tea may help fight inflammation and support overall wellness, making it a soothing and health-conscious choice. 4. Unsweetened coffee. Coffee may actually support better blood sugar control over time. A 2018 review suggested that coffee could improve how your body processes sugar, potentially lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to drink your coffee without added sugar, creamers, or flavored syrups, as these can raise blood sugar levels and add extra calories. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, choose a low or no-calorie sweetener. Keep in mind that caffeine itself might cause a temporary spike in blood sugar for some people. A 2019 study review showed that this effect can happen within 1 to 3 hours of drinking coffee. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor or dietitian about how caffeine fits into your personal diabetes management plan. 5. Vegetable juice. Most fruit juices are high in natural sugars and can raise blood sugar quickly. Instead, consider tomato juice or low-sugar vegetable juice as a healthier option. You can even blend your own at home using ingredients like spinach, kale, celery, or cucumber. For flavor, add a small handful of berries, but remember to count those berries toward your daily carbohydrate total. Homemade vegetable juice offers a refreshing way to get essential vitamins and minerals without spiking blood sugar. 6. Milk. Milk provides essential nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and protein, but it also contains natural sugars, lactose, which contribute to your daily carbohydrate intake. Studies show that milk's fat content doesn't significantly affect blood sugar levels. In fact, whole milk may slow digestion slightly, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Still, moderation is important. Whether you choose whole, low-fat, or non-fat milk, aim to limit intake to 2 or 3 8-ounce servings per day, depending on your nutritional needs. Always factor milk into your overall meal plan to maintain better blood sugar control. 7. Milk alternatives. Dairy-free milk options like almond milk, unsweetened soy milk, and coconut milk are often lower in carbohydrates than regular milk, making them suitable for people with diabetes. Many are also fortified with important nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, which help maintain strong bones. However, not all milk alternatives are the same. Oat milk, rice milk, and some soy milks contain more carbohydrates, while nut-based milks often have very little protein. Always check the nutrition label to ensure the product fits your dietary needs. 8. Green smoothie. Green smoothies are a great way to boost your fiber and nutrient intake without spiking blood sugar, especially when made at home with low-carb ingredients. Use leafy greens like spinach, kale, or celery as a base. Then, add a scoop of protein powder and a small portion of fruit for natural sweetness and additional nutrition. Just be sure to count the carbs from fruit as part of your daily intake. Homemade green smoothies offer hydration and a steady energy boost, all while keeping your blood sugar more stable. 9. Sugar-free lemonade. Sugar-free lemonade is a refreshing, low-carb option that's simple to prepare at home. All you need is sparkling water, fresh lemon juice, and a no-calorie sweetener like stevia. This easy-to-make drink is perfect for warm days or when you're looking for something flavorful without the sugar. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your thirst while staying on track with your diabetes goals. 10. Kombucha, a probiotic option for diabetes. Kombucha is a fizzy, fermented tea drink usually made from black or green tea. It's naturally rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Emerging research suggests that probiotics may also help improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes, though more studies are needed to confirm the best dosage and long-term benefits. When it comes to carbohydrates, kombucha is relatively low, about 7 grams of carbs per 1 cup serving, making it a good fit for many low-carb diets. However, it's important to check the nutrition label carefully, as some commercial kombucha brands add extra sugar, which can raise blood sugar levels. For the best results, choose unsweetened or low-sugar kombucha varieties and enjoy it in moderation as part of your diabetes-friendly beverage plan. The 3 worst drinks for people with diabetes. If you have diabetes, it's important to be cautious about what you drink, especially when it comes to sugary beverages. These drinks can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and contribute to weight gain without offering much nutritional value. Here are the top drinks to avoid. 1. Regular soda. Regular soda is one of the worst choices for people with diabetes. A single can contain around 40 grams of sugar and about 150 calories, according to the American Diabetes Association, ADA. That much sugar can quickly raise your blood glucose levels and contribute to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health issues. For a healthier option, go for water, unsweetened tea, or fruit-infused sparkling water. 2. Energy drinks. Energy drinks often pack a double punch of high sugar content and excessive caffeine. According to a 2018 study, these beverages can trigger spikes in blood sugar, something people with diabetes should avoid. Additionally, large amounts of caffeine can increase nervousness, raise blood pressure, disrupt sleep. These side effects can make diabetes harder to manage and negatively affect your overall health. 3. Sweetened or unsweetened fruit juices. Even though 100% fruit juice contains beneficial nutrients like vitamin C, it's still high in natural sugars and carbohydrates. Whether sweetened or unsweetened, fruit juices can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar and may contribute to weight gain if consumed in large amounts. If you're craving juice, always choose 100% pure juice with no added sugars, and keep the portion size small. Limit your serving to just 4 ounces, about half a cup, which contains around 15 grams of natural sugar, roughly 3.75 teaspoons. For a lighter option, try mixing a splash of your favorite juice with sparkling water. This gives you the flavor you enjoy while cutting down on sugar and carbs.